Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mana Lectures. Today we will discuss about network topologies. In computer networks, there are number of topologies, but basically there are four topologies. They are mesh topology, star topology, ring topology, and bus topology. There is another topology, hybrid topology, which is combination of any two of them or three of them is the hybrid topologies. First of all, we need to know about what is topology. Definition of topology. Here, network topology is the schematic description of a arrangement, network arrangement connecting various nodes through lines of connection. Here network topology means how the different devices, different nodes are connected to each other is shown in schematic description or in physical form is called the network topology. Today we will discuss about mesh topology and other topologies we will discuss in later. First of all, mesh topology. Here mesh topology means each device is connected to every other devices on the network through a dedicated point-to-point link. Here dedicated means there is point-to-point link. First we see the diagram. Here there are four devices: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four devices. Here each device, we see in definition, each device is connected to every other device on the network through a dedicated point-to-point link. Means here device 1 is connected to 2, 1 is connected to 3 and 1 is connected to 4, as well as 2 is connected to 1, 3, 4. Here also 3 is connected to 1, 2, 4. 4 is also connected to 1, 2, 3. This is means dedicated point to point communication, means each device is connected to other devices, which is mesh topology. Here it means that the link only carries data for the two connected devices only. Here in mesh topology, the data is transmitted between those two connected devices only, which we want to transmit data. Those two devices only connected and those two devices only data will be transferred. For that, here each device is connected to number of other devices. So we need to know how many devices are to be connected and how many links are to be needed. For that we have a formula. Let's say if we have n devices in the network, then each device must be connected with n minus 1 devices. If for example, if four devices in our last example, four devices, then each device each device is connected to n minus 1, means 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Each device is connected to three other devices. If we want to know about how many links are needed, then we have another formula, which is n into n minus 1 by 2. For n devices we need n into n minus 1. For example, 4, n equal to 4, then 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2, which is 4 into 3 by 2. 2 times 2 3 is 6. 6 links are needed, which means for 4 devices we need 6 links, as well as n devices we need n into n minus 1 by 2 devices. We see what are the advantages of mesh topology. Here first one, No data traffic issues. Here there is no data traffic issues. No data traffic issues because of dedicated link between two devices, which means the data is transmitted between those two devices which we want, those two devices only. So there is no need for traffic issues in the transmission. This is one advantage. Another one is mesh topology is reliable and robust as failure of one link does not affect other links. Here it is also reliable and robust as failure of one link does not affect other devices. In network, if if any one link fails, means this link is fails, then it doesn't affect on any other links. So it is reliable. This is the advantage of mesh topology. Another point, mesh topology is secure. Here the data is also secure because there is no intermediate points or intermediate nodes between the connection between two other devices. So there is no loss and no access to anyone. This is the other advantage. Then last advantage is fault detection is easy. If any one link is failed, then we can easily detect which link is failed and we can correct them easily. What are the disadvantages? We see disadvantages are amount of wires required to connect each system is tedious and headache, which means for in network, for each device we have number of connections. As we seen, for each device we have n-1 connections, which is very clumsy, which is very ununderstandable things, which causes ununderstandable. It is the one of the main disadvantage. Next one, each device need to be connected with other devices. Number of fiber ports required must be huge. This is also same point. And scalability issues because a device cannot connect with large number of devices with a dedicated point to point link. Means if if one device is connected to this number of devices, it causes some issues in transmission. It so this is also another drawback. These are the disadvantages of mesh topology. We see other topologies in next session. Thanks for watching our video and please subscribe to Mana Lectures.